Yes, welcome to Side Software College. My name is Teacher Laban Mugume from Uganda, and I'm here to meet elementary students. I'm a teacher of English, of course, and I'm happy to meet you. Now, let's go. Students of elementary level, this is your package. Today we are starting with comprehension. Now, you want to write about family. This is one of the family members, and he is writing about his family. My family. Let's first go to read. There are 8 members in my family. The name of my father is Mr. Musa J. The name of my father is Mrs. Fatuma M. We are 4 brothers and 2 sisters. My father is a shopkeeper. My mother is a housewife. In the evenings, we all take meals together and watch TV together. Sometimes we go on a picnic on Sundays. My parents are very kind to us. We like our parents. Let's read again. There are 8 members in my family. The name of my father is Mr. Musa J. The name of my mother is Mrs. Fatuma M. We are 4 brothers and 2 sisters. My father is a shopkeeper. My mother is a housewife. In the evenings, we all take meals together and watch TV together. Sometimes we go on picnic on Sundays. My parents are very kind to us. We like our parents. Let's go. Now, this is a family, and one of the children is writing about their family, about his family. There are 8 members in my family. This is the one of the children writing. The name of my father is Mr. Musa J. The name of my mother is Mrs. So here we have something to note. When you are talking about someone, old person with family, he has children, he has wife, we say Mr. You start with Mr. And this is short form for Mr. So we usually write it like that. When you write it, you put full stop. Mr. Musa J. This is the father. You cannot say Musa J without any this. It does not show respect. The name of my mother is Mrs. Mrs. is also very important. It is used for women, and when you put this, then you put full stop. Mrs. Fatuma M. We are 4 brothers and 2 sisters. So the children are 6. And of course, when you add the parents, then they are 8. So father and mother plus 6 children, they make 8 members. That's what we are saying here. My mother is, first wait. My father is a shopkeeper. I want to ask you, what does the shopkeeper do? We shall meet it even in the questions. That is the job of his father. My mother is a housewife. Housewife, what does she do? Housewife. What does a housewife do? Because we don't know sometimes. So maybe you will tell us, what does a housewife do? In the evenings, we all take meals together. Meals means like food. They eat together. They eat together. You will tell me why eating together is good. So for them, they eat together in the evening. And also, they watch TV together. I like this family. It's very good. So they eat together, and also they watch TV together. So this is very important. Sometimes we go on a picnic. Picnic, like they go to enjoy. They go for fun. They go to have fun, to enjoy with their family, with their father. So just like for fun, to have fun, to just searching for pleasure, like they go to have fun together. So, but not every time, of course. He said sometimes we go on a picnic on Sundays. My parents are very kind. The word kind means what? Kinds mean like good heart. They have good heart. They are very kind to us. We like our parents. That's someone writing about his family. Now let's go to questions, friends. How many members are in a family? I want you to answer in full sentence. How many members are in family? You will say what? There are 8 members in a family. There are 8 members in this family, or there are 8 members. Even if you stop there, there are 8 members. So now, I said if the question is how many, you can say there are. It's good. If you say 8 members, it does not make more sense. But if you say there are 8 members in a family, it makes more meaning. Let's go to number 2. What is his father's job? What is his father's job? So you start, his father's job is. That's how you answer. Don't say shopkeeper. Never. You answer in full sentence. You will say, his father's job is, then you put the name. His father's job is a shopkeeper. His father's job is a shopkeeper. Then next question is, what does a shopkeeper do? What does a shopkeeper do? Does the shopkeeper teach? Does he teach? So you have to explain to us, what does a shopkeeper do? So I think you can say a shopkeeper sells and buys things. Example. But I think you can use that. Because when you're a shopkeeper, you buy, you bring things in the shop, and after selling them, then you also buy. So you can say a shopkeeper sells and buys things. Or you can say a shopkeeper manages shops and sells things in the shop, sells stock in the shop. So you can use your experience, because just I am guiding you to try to answer, but I'm not giving you exactly answer on this question number 3. So you can say a shopkeeper sells and buys things in the shop, maybe. Or you can say a shopkeeper cleans the shop and keeps the shop very well. Example, you can say a shopkeeper manages his shop and sells things in the shop. So you can use any examples. Okay, let's go. Number 4, write a story about your family. This is very important. That's what I was looking for. So the reason why I have given you this, I want you to write a story about your family. Tell us about your father, the job of your father. Tell us about the job of your mother. Tell us about how many sisters do you have. Tell us about how many brothers do you have. Tell us about the relationship between you and your family. Do you eat together or you don't? We need to know that. When in the evening, when you want to eat, do you go another place and your father another place? And if you eat together, why do you eat together? You can also write it. So I want you to write a story in your free time about your family. And then you will compare that story with this story. And then you say, who is better? Am I better than this? Or he is better than me? So we want to compare those stories, and then we see who is the best, because we shall come to pick those stories very soon. So when you write them, don't think that we shall not mark them. We will mark them. We shall see them, because we have to supervise what you are doing. So you write them, and we shall try to come and we check and see how you wrote it. Now, this is very important. Don't forget to write about whether you like your parents or not. Because this person said, we like our parents. Why? Because they are kind. Yes, because they are kind. Now, if you are the husband or wife, no problem. You can write about your family. Like my family has 4 members. I'm the father. Or like that. It's okay. You can say I'm the mother at home. It's okay. So, but me, what I need is to know about your family. Write about your family, and then you will understand how you can improve. You will improve your writing skills and also comprehension skills. Thank you so much for listening to me. I remain teacher Laban Mugume from Uganda, and we love you so much. Always come and join this website so that we can share knowledge with us. Thank you so much. I wish you the best. Bye-bye.